Hello guys, this is Teacher Ed. For today, we're going to convert percent to decimal using a manual calculation. Meaning to say, hindi tayo gagamit ng calculator. So for our first example, convert 30% to a decimal. So for our solution, first copy lang muna natin ang 30%. So in order to cancel out this percent, we have to move this decimal 2 times to the left. So i-move natin 1, 2. Meaning to say dito ng decimal natin and we just add 0. So that would be 30% is equivalent to 0.3. For our second example, convert 65% to a decimal. So that would be 65%. We just move the decimal twice to the left. So that would be 1, 2, and we just add up 0. Meaning to say, 65% is equivalent to 0.65. For our third example, we have convert 10.59% to a decimal. So, 10.59, move lang natin yung decimal 2 times to the left. So, that would be 1, 2, and we just add up 0. Meaning to say, 10.59 is equivalent to 0.1059. Next, we have convert 45.09 to a decimal. So, copy muna natin si 45.09 and i-move lang natin ang decimal na to, decimal point 2 times to the left. So, that would be 1, 2, and add lang natin yung 0. So, that would be 45.09 is equivalent to 0.4509. For our fifth example, we have convert 350% to a whole number. So, same lang din. We just move this decimal 2 times to the left. So, meaning to say, 350% is equivalent to 3.50. So, pwede nyo siyang ma-counter-check using your calculator. Then, for our last example, we have convert 490.5 to a whole number. So, what we're going to do is just to move this decimal 2 times to the left. It would be 1, 2, and dito na yung ating decimal. So, that would be 4.905 yung equivalent ng percent into a whole number.